And now for the units of measure. When your job is created, a complete set of standard units of measure is copied into your job. If you have any unit of measure that you require which isn't present already, you can add a new one at the bottom of this window. Anything you add on this window cannot be deleted, and that's just in case you've used it already. However, I'll show you the entry of a new one, because it's important that you should understand how this data relates to what you're going to measure. If we have a unit of measure, we require to know about it, whether it is linear, square, or cubic. That is so we know how many dimensions need to be input against it. So you'll notice, for example, on this one, which is meters, where my cursor is, I don't have a second dimension and I don't have a third one. When I go to the one below it, which is square meters, I require a second dimension and I do not require a height dimension. When it comes to cubic meters, I need the length, obviously, that's dimension 1, in addition to which I need a breadth or width, and then I also need a height. So for the purpose of my new unit of measure, I'm going to say yes, I need a second dim, and no, I don't need a third dimension for height. So this will in fact be a square unit of measure. Now the next thing to discuss is the number of decimals as listed in this column. You'll notice that they mostly say 0. That means that the numbers, the relevant quantities, will be printed correct to an integer. However, when it comes to tons, it is set up to print correct to 2 decimal places. And there is a way where you could take an item, let us just say an item which is a square meter item, and later on in your bill you can say, for just this description, I want it to show me 2 decimal places, and we'll get to that a little bit later.